Find the greatest number that will divide 445, 572 and 699, leaving remainders 4, 5, 6 respectively. Since on dividing 445 by the required number, the remainder is 4. So, 445 minus 4 equals 441 will be exactly divisible by the required number. Similarly, 572 minus 5 equals 567 will be exactly divisible by the required number. 699 minus 6 equals 693 will also be exactly divisible by the required number. So, the required number is the HCF of 441, 567 and 693. Now, let's find the HCF by the prime factorization method. Four hundred and 41 equals 3 times 3 times 7 times 7. 567 equals 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 7. 693 equals 3 times 3 times 7 times 11. So, HCF equals 3 times 3 times 7 equals 63. Hence, the required greatest number is 63. Find the greatest number which when divides 253, 568 and 813 leaves the same remainder each time. First of all, we'll find the difference between the larger number and the smaller number. 813 minus 568 equals 245. 568 minus 253 equals 315. 813 minus 253 equals 560. Now, the greatest number which when divides 253, 568 and 813 leaves the same remainder each time, is the HCF of 245, 315 and 560. Two hundred and 45 equals 5 times 7 times 7. 315 equals 3 times 3 times 5 times 7. 560 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 7. So, HCF is 5 times 7 equals 35. Hence, the greatest number is 35. Show that 280 and 297 are prime to each other. Two numbers are prime to each other, if their HCF is 1. And the HCF of two numbers is 1, if they don't have any common factor other than 1. Now let's do the prime factorization of 280 and 297. Two hundred and 80 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 7. 297 equals 3 times 3 times 3 times 11. Clearly, they don't have any common factor. So, their HCF is 1. Hence, 280 and 297 are prime to each other. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:8. If their HCF is 6, find the numbers. Ratio between two numbers is 5:8. Let the numbers be 5x and 8x. Then, the HCF of 5x and 8x is x. But, the HCF is 6, given. So, x is 6. And 5x equals 5 times 6 equals 30. 6x equals 6 times 6 equals 36. Hence, the numbers are 30 and 36. The product of two numbers is 2925 and their HCF is 15. Find the numbers. Product of two numbers is 2925. Their HCF is 15. Let the numbers be 15 times A and 15 times B. Then, 15 times A into 15 times B equals 2925. Or, 225 times A times B equals 2925. Or, A times B equals 2925 by 225 equals 13. So, A and B are 1 and 13 respectively. Now, 15 times A equals 15 times 1 equals 15. And 15 times B equals 15 times 13 equals 195. Hence, the numbers are 15 and 195. What is the greatest number by which, if 1657 and 2037 are divided, the remainders will be 6 and 5 respectively? What is the greatest number that will divide 187, 233 and 279 leaving the same remainder in each case? Show that 343 and 432 are co-primes. Two numbers are in the ratio 3:4. If their HCF is 36, find the numbers. The product of two numbers is 2160 and their HCF is 12. Find the numbers. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep loving maths. See you in the next video. If you liked my video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.